This is another homemade or custom built hit and miss engine that I purchased from a friend a few months back. This is an inverted vertical engine. Another one custom designed and built by a gentleman whose name my friend is given on his YouTube video of it before I purchased it. You can see the governor system here, and I'll just try to get some close-ups. This one has roller bearings for the crankshaft bearings, solid brass flywheels. It is fan-cooled, custom-made little gas tank, and this engine runs great. I had it at an engine show 2 weeks ago, ran it all day long, 5 days in a row. The only time it ever stopped was when it ran out of fuel. It's just a great running engine. It does kind of jump around a lot, so I have it clamped down to the table. We're going to give it a start, see how she runs here this afternoon. Okay, let's give this thing a run. We'll get zoomed in here a little bit. And let's give that a try. It does bounce around a lot, but once it warmed up there, it just runs great. And it'll pretty much do that all day long. Thanks for watching.